Hey guys, what's up and what is going on? Actually today I'm going to reveal to you a new gadget that I bought from Fun Spots. I just went to Fun Spots earlier.
Check this out, the GoPro One. I'm currently at Fun Spots to get the latest GoPro.
As you know, Fun Spot is the only authorized main distributor of GoPro in Malaysia. So I went there.
So this is how Fun Spot look like. This is the first time I'm here.
As today, the 17th of September 2020 is the official launch date globally, even in the US as well as in Malaysia. So they've just launched the GoPro 9 today. And apparently they say I am the first one in Malaysia to actually get this.
So here is the GoPro 9. Yeah.
Hi, Igazu. Congrats, you are the first one.
Oh really?
Yeah,
I'm the first one in Malaysia?
I think so.
Wow, okay.
Right, because I was there at 12 noon, and they're gonna do a launch, an official launch somewhere around KL at 2 p.m. So now it's around 1:32. So yeah, so they say I'm the first one who got this. Okay, so I'm gonna do a unboxing and a full review on MC2 Lifestyle YouTube channel, as well as the full review and the full test technically on my own YouTube channel. So do find the YouTube channel links described somewhere around this video post, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can see me do the unboxing as well as the review. And I'm gonna promise you, I'm gonna do no ordinary kind of unboxing. If you have been watching some of my videos recently in my YouTube channel, you know I like to do magic, right? How the magic will look like. Do subscribe to MC2 Lifestyle channel as well as mine, and I'll see you on these YouTube channels, okay?